Here are some of the reasons why I got this green steel, stainless steel 17-ounce water bottle. First, it comes with a nifty looking gift box. Enviro-friendly, plastic-free, and fully recyclable. Now let's have a closer look at the actual bottle. I actually needed a replacement bottle to fit my mountain bike, designed to withstand drops and prevent dents and also last a lifetime. They're available in different colors, but I wanted the natural stainless steel, and they're all rust proof. These are available in 12 ounce, 17 ounce, and 25 ounce. It includes a handy rubber ring with a carabiner. The bottle is made of 304 pro-grade stainless steel. Looking inside, it's double wall, vacuum insulated. Stays hot longer and stays cold longer. The screw lid is a solid leak-proof lid that's easy to open and close. All their drinkware is made from premium food grade 18x8 stainless steel. The mouthpiece area is actually rounded, so that way when you put your mouth on it, it's actually pretty comfortable. The carabiner, which I find is useful for when I get off the bike, I go hiking, and I can clip it to my belt. Here, the concave bottom withstands drops. The other color options offer super grip surface, non-slip finish, durability, and no fading. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.